Welcome to the FDA Drug Safety Podcast for healthcare professionals from the Division of Drug Information. This is Leslie Navin, Advanced Practice Nurse. On February 4, 2021, FDA alerted the public that preliminary results from a safety clinical trial show an increased risk of serious heart-related problems and cancer with the arthritis and ulcerative colitis medicine Xeljanz XR, active ingredient tofacitinib, compared to another type of medicine called tumor necrosis factor or TNF inhibitors. FDA required the safety trial, which also investigated other potential risks, including blood clots in the lungs and death. Those final results are not yet available. We will evaluate the clinical trial results we have received to date and will work with the drug manufacturer to obtain further information as soon as possible. We will communicate our final conclusions and recommendations when we have completed our review or have more information to share. Healthcare professionals should consider the benefits and risks of tofacitinib when deciding whether to prescribe or continue patients on the medicine. Continue to follow the recommendations in the tofacitinib prescribing information. When FDA first approved tofacitinib in 2012 to treat adults with rheumatoid arthritis, or RA, who did not respond well to methotrexate, a TNF inhibitor, we required the manufacturer Pfizer to conduct a safety clinical trial in patients with RA to evaluate the risk of serious heart-related events, cancer, and infections. The trial studied 2 doses of tofacitinib, 5 mg twice daily, the approved dosage for RA, and a higher 10 mg twice daily dosage, in comparison to patients taking methotrexate. Patients in the trial were required to be at least 50 years old with at least one cardiovascular risk factor. In February 2019 and July 2019, we warned that interim trial results showed an increased risk of blood clots and death with the higher 10 mg twice daily dosage, and as a result approved a boxed warning to the tofacitinib prescribing information. The clinical trial is now complete, and initial results show a higher occurrence of serious heart-related events and cancer in RA patients treated with both doses of tofacitinib compared to patients treated with a TNF inhibitor. FDA is awaiting additional results from the trial. Side effects involving tofacitinib should be reported to FDA's MedWatch program at fda.gov/medwatch. A link to the full communication detailing specific information for healthcare professionals can be found at fda.gov/drug safety communications. If you have drug questions, you can reach us at druginfo@fda.hhs.gov and follow us on Twitter at FDA Drug Info. Thanks for listening.